The fifth niyama is Ishvara Panidhana, which means devotion to source energy. That can be source within and without. Divinity, higher consciousness, infinite intelligence, the cosmos, whatever you like to call it, that energy that connects us all, that source energy where we all came from. So I'm going to show you a yoga pose, a mudra, and a mantra to cultivate this niyama on your mat and into your daily life. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So we're going to start in mountain pose. Come to the front edge of your mat, feet hip width apart, root through the heels, tuck in the tailbone, navel to spine, shoulders back and down, reach down through the fingers, lift through the crown of the head, and breathe. Take a moment, check in with the body, with the breath, and with the mind. Just notice how you're feeling. Then begin to deepen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. On your next inhale, step your right leg back, ground through the right heel. Breathe in as you reach your arms up overhead, and then breathe out as you interlace your fingers behind you. Close your fists, draw your fists back behind you, open through the chest. So we're going to practice humble warrior, otherwise known as devotional warrior, since we're talking about devotion to source energy, infinite intelligence. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale, bow your left shoulder inside your left knee, relax your head, crown to the earth, fist to the sky. Think about what being humble might mean to you. Think about what devotion might mean to you in your yoga practice. Take a deep breath in, a slow breath out, deep breath in, long breath out. Breathe in, swoop your hands up overhead, and exhale back to mountain pose, hands to heart in prayer, Anjali Mudra. And now we're going to practice humble warrior on the other side. Take a big breath in, step your left leg back, ground through the left heel. Breathe out, bend the right knee. Breathe in, reach your hands up, and breathe out. Interlace your fingers behind you, maybe reverse your grip. Close your fists. Inhale, open the heart, gaze up, and exhale, bow forward. Relax your right shoulder inside the right knee, relax the head. Crown to the earth, fist to the sky. Take a deep inhale, a long exhale. And perhaps take a moment, think about what devotion and being humble means to you on and off the mat. Take a deep inhale, a slow exhale. One more deep breath in, long breath out. Breathe in, reach your hands up overhead, warrior one. Exhale back to mountain pose. Now bring your hands to your heart. We're going to make Anjali Mudra, prayer position. Close your eyes. The mantra we're going to practice today is Om. Om is a great practice to activate your vagus nerve and your parasympathetic nervous system. It's a sacred sound, and according to yoga philosophy, chanting this sound connects you with source energy, divinity, infinite intelligence. We'll practice 3 rounds of Om together. Take a deep breath in. Om. Breathe in. Om. breath in you've taken so far. Take a moment, notice how you're feeling outward and inward. When you're ready, you're welcome to open the eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your yoga practice with me today. I hope you found this practice interesting and helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd love to hear from you. So type a message and let me know how you're feeling. And I would also love to know how you're incorporating this niyama, devotion to a higher power, into your life. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.